With Genesis, you can build apps that work on any device, mobile, tablet, and desktop. Most of what you create will be mobile-friendly from the start. But if you want more control, prompt Genesis with your requirements. Tell it to optimize for mobile, adjust the layout, or make sure everything scales properly. In preview mode, use the drop-down to switch between different screen sizes. This lets you check how everything looks before you share it. Data comes directly from your workspace, your team, your projects, your tasks. That's Workspace DNA. It reads from your workspace and stays in sync. Genesis builds websites too. Landing pages, marketing sites, product pages, same responsive behavior, same workspace connection. What you build can both read and write to your workspace. When something changes, it updates your workspace automatically. Data flows both ways, always in sync. When someone interacts with what you've built, the event can trigger automations, send a confirmation, notify your team, update the calendar. Actions happen automatically when the data changes. Light themes, dark themes, custom colors, different layouts. You can style everything to match your brand or keep it minimal. Genesis adapts to what you need. You can embed AI agents directly into what you build. They can answer user questions, handle tasks automatically, and make suggestions. When you're ready, you can share with anyone. Maybe it's a booking form for your customers or a tool just for your team. Send a link and they can access it from any device. Everything is responsive and connected. Projects, agents, automations, all working together inside your workspace. Build once, run anywhere.